If I needed extra money fast, I'd do this. Hello, my name is Oliver and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is episode 48 of the 100-day upload streak for 2026, where I'm uploading 100 videos for the first 100 days of the year. What would I do if I needed extra money? Well, I guess the last video said I was broke, which I am, so I do need extra money, but we're going to just put a cut over children, okay? Because if I didn't have a child, life would obviously be different. So, pretend there's no children involved. If I needed extra money, what would I do? Well, the first thing I'd do is sell sperm. No, I'm joking. The first thing I'd do is get a job. I'd get a job. It's as simple as that. If you've already got a job, but you need extra money, what would I do then? Well, I would get another job. So, delivery driving pays decent wage. Not Uber Eats. If you can find like a takeaway or Domino's Pizza, something, you know what I mean, something like that, you can get decent per hour, bit above minimum wage. You get paid per delivery. For Domino's Pizza, I think if you have like the Domino's logo on the top of your car, you get like an extra 50p a delivery as well. Obviously there's tips as well, so I would do delivery driving. I know a lot about delivery driving. I have a video on delivery driving because I used to be a delivery driver back in the day, so I know quite a bit about it. So that's what I would do, the first thing I'd do if I needed extra money. But if I needed it a bit quicker, I would go onto Facebook Marketplace and find technology, specifically TVs. Join all the local Facebook groups and find some TVs which are free, and I would then take them to CEX or cash converters, ideally cash converters because they pay a bit more than CEX, and I'd sell them. Yeah, sure, I wouldn't get as much money as I would if I sold them myself privately, but it's about getting money fast. That's what I'd do. I would sell them, you know, I'd probably get 60 to 120 pounds per TV, depends on the TV, and there you go, bada bing, bada boom, there's some quick money. What else would I do if I needed quick money? I would go to markets, car boot sales, things like that. You'll be absolutely amazed what you can find at car boot sales. I have found some absolute gems. I once found a coin worth £13,000, and I used to have a massive coin collection, and I was really into coin collecting, and I bought the coin for 50p, and I was really excited, and I had the coin collection, and unfortunately when I was homeless and my stuff was stored away elsewhere, it got stolen, so I lost my whole coin collection. I had a lot in my coin book, a load. My granddad helped me start it off with half crowns, and I built up over years, and I lost it. But yeah, that's always a good one. Another thing I used to do when I was younger, when I was like 12 years old, I would get 3 buses into the middle of nowhere, and I would go and buy briefcases at charity shops, and then I would sell them to this guy who sold antiques. So that's what I did. I sold briefcases for a bit. That always made good money. Some other stuff that I did that makes good money, if you guys ever need to make money fast, was me and my brother, we used to walk across the fields to Asda, and we would go and buy the cheapest cakes they had, and we'd start a bake sale outside the local shop. So we'd be able to get like 18 mini like cupcake sort of things for 60p, and we'd get a lot of other selections. So we'd spend like £5, and we'd take the picnic table and we'd go to the shops and we'd set it up, and we'd walk away with 50 odd pounds sometimes. You might think that's an exaggeration, but we did run out of cakes one point, and my brother, he went into the shop and he bought a cake for 25p and walked out and sold it for £1 straight away. So we did a lot of things like that, and that was always fun. So yeah, there's always lots of ways to make money. I mean, if you're at school, you could do what I did. I used to sell things when I was at school. When I was at my all-boys high school, I used to sell muffins and I used to sell cookies. And then when I moved to my mixed gender school, my high school, I sold condoms. I used to get a pack of 12 from the pound shop and sell them at 50p each. You'll be amazed what people buy. So yeah, if you want to make money fast, honestly, markets. Just go buy stuff and go sell them to antique places and online and to cash converters. Cash converters buy a lot of stuff. I sold, unfortunately, I'm sad about it, but I sold my typewriter to them. I didn't want to sell my typewriter, but it was more that I didn't have the space. So I did sell my typewriter to them, and I have sold many TVs to them as well that I found online. So it's always worth to do. Join the local Facebook groups. There's loads of free groups about, and you'd be amazed on the deals that you can get, like free stuff. There's loads of free groups, but you'd be amazed on how much money you can make from this stuff. So if you need money quick, honestly, people's trash is the best treasure. Simple as that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and comment down below if you did any weird selling habits. Not breaking the law ones. I'm talking about like proper like selling. Were you the kid who sold Lucasades? Did you sell other stuff at school? Or what's the best find you found? Seriously, there's loads of ways that you can make money, and I'm really interested in it. So yeah, I'd just get free stuff and sell it to make quick money. You could do it really quickly, providing you've got a vehicle and time. You don't even need a vehicle. You could just walk it. Yeah. Adios, my mis amigos. I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up tomorrow. Goodbye for now.